For centuries, the dream of returning humans to the moon has been a beacon guiding scientific and technological progress. Today, that dream is becoming reality once more, not as a brief visit, but as the foundation for sustained human presence beyond Earth. At the heart of this bold vision stands NASA's Artemis program, an ambitious initiative to land astronauts on the lunar surface, establish a foothold, and push humanity's reach even further into the solar system. But behind the headlines and historic firsts lies a complex symphony of groundbreaking technologies, innovations that blend decades of experience with cutting-edge science and engineering. The Artemis program is more than just a rocket launch or a lunar landing. It is a comprehensive system of interdependent technologies designed to operate in one of the harshest environments humanity has ever faced. Each element is a triumph of human ingenuity, developed to overcome the extreme challenges of space travel, the vacuum and radiation of deep space, and the brutal environment of the lunar surface. Together, these technologies form a new architecture for space exploration, one that will sustain life, enable scientific discovery, and pave the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. At the core of Artemis is the Space Launch System, or SLS, the most powerful rocket ever built. Towering over 100 meters tall, this giant vehicle is engineered to lift massive payloads beyond Earth's gravity well. Its engines roar with unprecedented thrust, designed to propel the Orion crew capsule, cargo, and essential equipment toward lunar orbit. The SLS represents the pinnacle of rocket propulsion technology, combining heritage components with new advances in materials, manufacturing, and safety systems. Every weld, every valve, and every sensor is tested to withstand the immense stresses of launch, ensuring the spacecraft's safe journey into space. Riding atop the SLS is Orion, the crewed spacecraft that will carry astronauts safely to lunar orbit and back. Orion is a marvel of human-centered design, built to protect its occupants from the vacuum of space, cosmic radiation, and micrometeoroid impacts. Its heat shield is engineered to survive re-entry into Earth's atmosphere at speeds over 11 kilometers per second, a fiery return from the moon that demands extraordinary thermal protection. Inside, life support systems recycle air and water, maintain comfortable temperatures, and provide communication and navigation, effectively turning a small capsule into a home far from home. Once in lunar orbit, astronauts will transfer to the Lunar Gateway, a small, modular space station that will orbit the moon as a staging point for surface missions. The Gateway represents a new paradigm for space infrastructure, a collaboration among international partners that offers a flexible, reusable platform for research, logistics, and crew support. Equipped with docking ports, living quarters, scientific labs, and communication arrays, the Gateway will serve as a hub for robotic and human operations, enabling longer and safer missions to the surface. Its solar arrays will generate power continuously, even in the shadow of the moon, and its advanced robotics will assist astronauts in maintenance and exploration tasks. Descending from the Gateway to the lunar surface is the Human Landing System, or HLS, a new generation of lunar landers designed to carry astronauts safely to and from the moon's rugged terrain. These vehicles must operate in low gravity, navigate uneven landscapes, and dock precisely with orbiting platforms. Their propulsion systems use liquid hydrogen and oxygen fuel, derived in part from lessons learned in the International Space Station and the Space Shuttle programs, optimized now for lunar gravity and vacuum conditions. The landers incorporate autonomous guidance and hazard detection to avoid dangerous obstacles and ensure safe touchdown. On the moon itself, the Artemis program will test a suite of advanced technologies aimed at sustaining human life and enabling scientific discovery. Habitats will provide radiation shielding, thermal regulation, and life support, forming the backbone of a lunar outpost. These habitats will use innovative materials, such as regolith-based shielding and inflatable modules, designed to be lightweight for transport yet robust enough to protect from micrometeoroids and solar storms. Inside, astronauts will rely on closed-loop systems that recycle air, water, and waste, minimizing resupply needs and fostering sustainability. Power is critical on the moon, where the 14-day lunar night presents a formidable challenge. Artemis plans to use a combination of solar power, stored energy in advanced batteries, and potentially compact nuclear reactors, such as NASA's Kilopower project, to provide reliable, continuous electricity. Solar panels will be deployed on sunlit crater rims to capture energy, while energy storage solutions will bridge the long dark periods. These power systems will enable everything from life support and communication to scientific instruments and mobility systems. Mobility on the lunar surface is another focus of Artemis technologies. Astronauts will use next-generation lunar rovers, designed for rugged terrain and extended range. These vehicles incorporate autonomous driving capabilities, enhanced navigation sensors, and life support integration to allow explorers to travel farther, carry more equipment, and conduct complex missions. Innovations in spacesuit design will provide greater mobility, durability, and environmental protection. These suits will incorporate advanced materials to resist dust, micrometeoroids, and temperature extremes while maintaining flexibility and comfort for astronauts working in reduced gravity. Communication technologies are the lifeline connecting lunar explorers to mission control on Earth and to each other. Artemis employs advanced high-bandwidth communication networks, including lunar relay satellites positioned in orbit to maintain constant contact despite the moon's rugged terrain. These networks use laser communication as well as radio frequency systems, dramatically increasing data rates for video, telemetry, and scientific information. This connectivity ensures that astronauts remain in constant touch with Earth-based teams, enhancing safety and enabling real-time collaboration. Beyond hardware, Artemis is powered by sophisticated software and autonomous systems. Artificial intelligence and machine learning play a growing role in mission operations, helping to manage spacecraft systems, optimize resource usage, and support decision-making. Robotics perform routine maintenance, assist astronauts, and conduct scientific experiments, reducing human workload and risk. Simulation and virtual reality technologies train crews on Earth, preparing them for the challenges they will face on the lunar surface. Each of these technologies represents a step forward in humanity's quest to explore beyond Earth. But their true power lies in their integration, a seamlessly connected system designed to operate reliably in an environment that offers no second chances. Artemis is a testament to decades of innovation, collaboration, and determination, the culmination of human efforts to reach farther, learn more, and build a future among the stars. As astronauts prepare to embark on this historic journey, they carry with them not only the hopes of a generation, but the legacy of those who dared to dream and innovate. The technologies behind Artemis are more than machines. They are symbols of human ingenuity, resilience, and the unyielding desire to explore. Through them, we unlock the door to a new era of discovery, an era where the moon is not just a destination, but a stepping stone to the wider cosmos. The journey of Artemis is just beginning, but its impact will resonate for generations. It challenges us to imagine new possibilities, solve unprecedented problems, and come together as a global community united by the pursuit of knowledge and exploration. In the spacecraft, rovers, habitats, and networks of Artemis, we see the future of humanity, bold, hopeful, and ready to reach for the stars.